Today we're going to solve this equation. 2 to the power of x plus x equals 70. At first glance, this equation looks difficult because x appears both in the exponent and outside the exponent. But there's a simple trick. The first thing we should notice is the base of the exponential term. The base is 2. So let's think about powers of 2 that are close to 70. 2 to the power of a 4 equals 16. 2 to the power of 5 equals 32. 2 to the power of 6 equals 64. Now look carefully. 64 is very close to 70. The difference between 70 and 64 is 6. And notice something interesting. If x equals 6, then the equation becomes 2 to the power of 6 plus 6. 2 to the power of 6 is 64, and 64 plus 6 equals 70. That matches the right side of the equation exactly. Therefore, x equals 6. Let's verify our answer one more time. Substitute x equals 6 into the original equation. 2 to the power of 6 plus 6 equals 64 plus 6 equals 70. The left side equals the right side. So our answer is correct. Here's a useful tip. When you see an equation like a number to the power of x plus x equals another number, start by looking at powers of the base. Find the power that gets close to the number on the right side. Then check whether adding x gives the exact value. And that's how you can solve this equation quickly without complicated formulas.